Hi guys! Everybody loves a good spaghetti, but spaghetti is high in carb, which isn't suitable for anyone on a paleo or keto diet. I'm going to show you a recipe that replaces spaghetti with a much healthier option, Zoodles, that is zucchini noodles. We are making garlic chicken, mushroom, and tomato Zoodles today. It's paleo and keto friendly. Tastes as great minus the unhealthy carbs, and is gluten-free too. This recipe is good for serving 2 to 3 packs. The ingredients you will need are 600 grams of skinless, boneless chicken legs from cage-free chickens, cut into small pieces, 2 medium zucchini spiralized, 2 large portobello mushrooms or any mushrooms of your choice, cut into pieces, 10 cherry tomatoes halved, 4 cloves of garlic minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, mixed Italian herbs, 3 tablespoons of coconut cream. This is optional. The coconut cream does add a bit of the coconut taste to the noodles, but if you don't like the taste of coconut, you can leave that out. Next, you need mixed cheeses, which consists of parmesan, cheddar, and mozzarella. This is also optional for those on a paleo diet. And you need salt and pepper to taste. I get most of my groceries from Red Mart. They offer a wide range of healthy options and they do home delivery too. Saves you the hassle of lugging the heavy groceries home. I will put a link down below, and if you did buy through my referral link, I will get a small referral fee that will contribute a great deal to my video productions for all of you. So thank you in advance. Before I get to the cooking, I just want to show you the tool that I use to spiralize the zucchini. This is a potato skin peeler that comes with different razors for different purposes. I could turn the razors around to peel potato skin or grate cheeses. For tearing the zucchini into strips, I will be using the razor with the teeth. First, cut the zucchini into strips or spiralize it using any of the tools you may own. I got this skin peeler tool from Daiso, which costs just 2 Singapore dollars. Once that is done, chop up the rest of the vegetables into pieces. Once the vegetables are done, slice up the chicken into cubes. I like to use a different chopping board for the raw meat for hygiene purpose. You wouldn't want to cut the raw vegetables for salad using the same chopping board. Now we are done with all the preparation. We are ready to cook. Heat the non-stick pan to medium or high heat and add olive oil. Once the oil is sufficiently heated, add the minced garlic and stir fry for about 30 seconds to 1 minute until fragrant. Add the chicken and stir fry for about 5 to 10 minutes until cooked. Season it with mixed Italian herbs, salt and pepper to taste. When the chicken is about cooked, toss in the portobello mushrooms and cook for about 3 minutes till soft. When the mushrooms are cooked, toss in the tomatoes and spiralized zoodles. Cook for about 1 minute. Add coconut cream and mix well. This gives it a creamy taste. Season it with more salt and pepper to taste. Turn off the heat, add the cheeses and mix well. And we are ready to serve. So there you have it, a healthy version of chicken and mushroom zoodles. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have tried the recipe or tweak it a little. And most importantly, click subscribe for more videos weekly. And as usual, thank you for watching. Do check out other videos on my channel before you go. See you soon!